The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Fiona's turning her back on University of Cincinnati's own Travis Kelce. I can't believe it. I can believe that we've got a good amount of rainfall south of 460 right this minute, with a little bit south of Danville, but most of what's been falling in Southside today has not exactly been that impressive. And zooming out, we'll switch this back over to the national radar so we can see a little bit more of the impressive rain that's falling further towards the east. No real lightning strikes for us to speak of either. It stayed pretty calm as the day has gone along. And then again, further off towards the west, there's a little bit more consistent rain, but even that is staying pretty light. In the whole area that I've got selected right now, there's a whole 20 lightning strikes, so it's not exactly a stormy system. As we keep going through tonight into tomorrow, we will see some showers on and off for the next 6 hours, but after midnight, it turns into a more consistent rain. That will continue through Sunday morning into about noon, and then after that, it does look like we'll be pretty dry in the afternoon. Now, not totally dry, but by the time kickoff happens for the Super Bowl, a lot of us are looking at pretty calm conditions. Still really cloudy. It's still going to be humid. Temperatures are pretty comfortable for this time of year, but rainfall isn't quite as widespread as what we've been seeing earlier. Fast forwarding through Sunday night going into Monday morning, we do have showers again here and there, but it really takes until Monday afternoon for them to spread back out. Monday night, we're looking at some heavy rainfall as this front really pushes through. I don't think too many storms are likely. Might get a little bit of a wintry mix in the highlands, but most of us stay as rain. And then once we get towards about 7 a.m. on Tuesday, we really start to dry out. It takes until noon until we're really dry, but not seeing much accumulation after that point. Now, from this point all the way through Tuesday, so excluding the rain that we've already had, most of us still get another inch or so of rain, with Southside winning out at 1.6 inches, but around Lynchburg a decent amount too. Flood potential for today is mostly limited towards the southwest. Grayson County and parts of Wythe are technically in the level 1, but not by a lot. Sunday, we're pretty dry in the afternoon, so we don't get a whole lot. Monday, there's some flood risk that gets up into Southside, but I think a lot of the rain by that point is going to be falling further towards the north, so not too impressive. And then by Tuesday, the flood risk really drops. Storm-wise, that's concentrated in Texas today, tomorrow in Louisiana and Mississippi, and then in Georgia for Monday. So we stay north of the storms. I don't think that we've got thunder and lightning once we get into the next few days. Temperatures are slightly cooler on Sunday, with most of us close to 60, more noticeably cooler on Monday, and even colder than that on Tuesday once that front really pushes through. Those highs will look like what we have for lows tonight. Roanoke's at 49, Alta Vista 53, more consistent rain after midnight. Sunday temperatures are mostly still up into the 50s, with Roanoke at 58, and then falling a bit on Monday. We'll see them cool even further on Tuesday. That's going to be the first day that we're back towards average, and then staying like that for quite a while. We're pretty dry through the middle of next week. High pressure helps us out. There's a warm front that brings some showers on Thursday. Most of us stay dry, but the connected cold front is going to cause pretty consistent rain on Saturday. That's going to bring our temperatures down even further.